Namaskar children, how are you all? I hope you all are healthy and safe at home. Okay, I am Anjana Bodasra from Neura Global Kids. Today we are learn something new. What we learn? Let's see on activity. Let's see. I saw some things are here. Okay, this one is sticks, pencils and colors. And then crayon and earbud, right? Let's count these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sticks are here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 sticks are here. Okay. This one is many. This one is many. It means ये ज़्यादा स्टिक है. And this one is few. ये कम स्टिक है, इसलिए हम इसको few बोलेंगे और इसको हम many बोलेंगे. Okay. Next, let's count these pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pencils are here. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pencils are here. Right? Which one is few and which one is many? Tell me. This one is few and this one is many. Okay. This one is few. It means ये कम है. और this one is many. It means ये ज़्यादा है. Okay. Next, let's count this color box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 colors are here. 1, 2, 3. 3 colors are here. Which one is few and which one is many? Tell me. This one is few color box and this one is so many color box, right? Few, many. Next, let's count this crayon color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 crayon colors are here. 1, 2, 3. 3 crayon colors. Okay. Many, few. Many and few. Okay. This one is few colors and this one is many colors. Next, let's count this earbud. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 earbuds are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 earbuds. Tell me which one is many and which one is few? This one is few and this one is many. Okay, I hope you understood few and many concept. Let's start our classwork in textbook. Okay, I'll take one page and I draw some things like in your textbook. Okay, first of all we learn in this page. Let's see. Few and many. Circle the tree with fewer mango. Fewer mango, it means थोड़ी सी मैंगो है, few मैंगो है, उसमें हमें क्या करना है? सर्कल करना है. ओके. Tell me which one is fewer mangoes? This one? No, this one is so many mangoes. Okay. And this one is fewer mangoes. So we do circle on this tree. Okay, like this. Next, make few and many fingerprint fish. We do first of all color on our finger and then print here and then shapes like fish. Let's start. Here is few fish, fingerprint fish, and here is many fingerprint fish. Okay. Let's start, children. I take some colors and this earbuds. Okay. I take white color and pour this earbud and finger on my thumb. Okay, like this. And then print here. Okay. And then I take peach color. Okay. And pour the stick and color on my thumb. And then print here. Okay. Okay. Next. And then I take green color and then color on my thumb. And print here. Okay. Okay. Next. Again I take green color and color on my thumb. And then print this side. Okay. Next. And then I take orange color. Okay. Pour this stick and color on this thumb. And then print here. Okay. Next. And then I take blue color, pour the stick and color on your thumb. I hope you enjoy this activity and print here. Okay. Next. And then I take yellow color and color on my thumb. And then print here. Okay. Next. And then I take brown color and color on my thumb. And then print here. Okay. Next, I use again white color in color on print here. Okay. Let's start make a fish. Take your pencil and here make triangle. Okay. The next is mouth, like this, to circle. Okay. And then eyes. Okay. And then to cow, like this. And then slant line here and another slant line. Again slant line, another slant line. Okay. Make a fish. Fingerprint fish. Okay. Next slant line, another slant line, slant line, another slant line. Okay, slant line, another slant line, slant line, another slant line. Okay, 3 fish are ready. Let's do next fishes. Okay, first of all take triangle. Make triangle all the fish. Slant line, another slant line and standing line. Okay, and then make his mouth like this. Then make his eyes. Okay, and then two curve like this. Two curve like this. And then slant line, another slant line, slant line, another slant line. Okay, all fishes are ready. Let's see, children. This is few fish and this one is so many fish. Okay. Take this page number 18 in your textbook. Okay. And do this activity and understand the topic few and many. Okay. We will do in the textbook. Okay. I hope enjoy this activity. Please do at home this activity in your textbook only. Okay. Thank you.